Now exercise 7.2. Okay, we have the jobs is given 1 2 3 4 5 6 M1 machine and M2 machines. These are the timing is given, where M1 is time for turning and time of turning, and M2 is the time of threading. Now we have to identify the sequence so that the job can be performed in the particular sequence, and we know that how to identify the sequence. So we have M1 and M2. These two machine is given, so the M1 machine we have to perform the job first, and M2 machine we have to perform the job at the last. To identify this sequence, we have to select a minimum from this M1 and M2. So minimum from M1 and M2 is 1 year. This is for the M2 machine. So job 6 we will perform at the last. So I have written 6 here. And this column will get cancelled. After this, the next minimum is 2. This is for the machine 1. So job 4 will be performed first year. Now this will also get cancelled. Now the next minimum is 3. So this is 3 and this is 3. So this is for the M1 machine. So this will be performed here. And this is for M2 machine. So this will be performed here. Now the next minimum after cancelling this 2, the next minimum will remain as 5. So this is for M1 machine. So 5. Next minimum is 5 here. So the 3 will be performed here. So this will get cancelled. And the 2 will remain here. So now this is a sequence. Okay. Now in the given sequence we have to perform a job. Okay, so here the sequence is 4 1 3 2 5 and 6. Now the job we will perform at this sequence. Now the first we start from the 0. Job 4 will take on M1 machine how much time? Job 4 2 hours, so it will complete it after 2 hours on the machine. Now this job will go to the, or you can say that the product 4 will go to the machine M2 after 2 hours, so it will start at 2. How much time it will take? 6 hours. So after 6 4 2 plus 6, that is 8 hours. After 8 hours the product 4 is get ready. Now this machine will be free after 2 hours because this product is already went here. Now after 2 hours this will take the new job, that is job 1. So job 1 how much time it will take? 3 hours. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now the product is ready after 5 hours, but this machine will be ready after 8 hours. So this job will be start at after 8 hours. So this will start. We have to select the minimum from maximum from this. Okay, so 8 hours. How much time it will take? Job 1 8 hours. So after 16 hours that product is get ready. Okay, now after 5 hours the job 3 will come because this machine is free after 5 hours. Here the product has to be wait. Okay, machine will not wait, but it will continue. Job 3 will take 5 hours, so this will become 10 hours. The product is ready after 10, but the machine will be free after 16. So this product will start after 16 hours. Okay, how much time it will take? 9. So 16 plus 9, that will become 25. So this product is ready after 25 hours. Now this machine will take after 10 hours the new job, that is product 2. So 10. So product 2 may take how much time? 12 hours. So that is 22. After 22 this product is ready, but this machine will be free after 25. So that product will be go to the machine after 25 hours. Now 25 hours product 2 will take how much time? 10 hours. So 35. So the product is ready after 35, but this machine will be free after 22 hours. So it will take a new job after 22 hours. So job 5 how much time take? 9. So this is 29. Sorry, 22, and it will take 9. So this is 31. Okay, now after 31 this product is ready, but this job machine will be free after 35. So it will start at 35. How much time it will take? 3 hours. So that will become 38. So after 31 hours this machine will be take a new job. So 6 machines will take 11 hours. So it will become 42. Okay, but the machine will be free after 38, but this product will come after 42 hours because it will take more time. So that product will go to the 42 hours, because here this machine has to be wait after 42 hours. How much time it will take? 1, so 43. After 43 hours the machine will be completed there all the 6 job. Okay, therefore total time of project is 43 hours. So ideal time for the machine M1 is 43 minus total time, that is 42, that is 1 hour. This machine has to be wait 1 hour. Okay, because when the last product is getting ready after 43 hours, this machine is waiting, because both the machine will be closed at the same time, will be closed at same time. Now for this is 43, this machine has to be wait how much time? 43 minus total sum of this number, sum of this total we have to identify. So this is 19, 20, 28, 31, 37. So 37, that will become 6 hours. So this machine has to be wait till 6 hours. Where is 6 hours? 2 hours here, because the first product, when the first product is getting ready, this machine is waiting. And one more time after here, the 4 hours here, this machine is also waiting. So total 6 hours this machine is waiting. So idle time of this product. Okay, go through the videos, this video again and again, so you know that you will come to know how to solve this type of sum. Okay, this will come in the exam definitely for the 4 marks. Okay.